Please stand to recite the Foley High School Creed. I am a Foley Lion. I will stand for honor, integrity, and pride. I will serve with strength and courage. I will own the path to my future. I will hold myself to a higher standard. I will strive for excellence in all I do. This is my oath. This is my pledge. I am a Foley Lion.
Hey Foley High School, today is May 7th, Tuesday, and you're watching the Lion Bride News. May is Mental Health Awareness Month, yet it can be such a stressful time for students. Even though we're all excited to have summer break, there are still many things we're juggling before we get there. Finances, study time, job hunting, etc. Peer helpers will be sharing a message on social media for you to share on your story. The first 50 people who share or repost our story and come show evidence to Mrs. Champion in room 406 will receive a stress toolkit with treats. Attention all underclassmen. If you're looking for another elective to do next year, try out theater. It's great for building friendships and learning great communication skills, and as well as having fun. We try to do 3 productions every year, 1 in the fall, 1 in the winter, and 1 in the spring. If you're interested in it, please talk to Mr. Lane in room 803 or the library, or your grade level counselor.
Okay. Hey man, what's up? What is 2 times 2?
4.
Do you want some milk?
Who was the 16th?
Benjamin Franklin. Is that right?
Ricky, what is 9 times 9?
I didn't finish school. No, I'm just kidding. It is, 81?
Let's go, Ricky.
Okay.
What is it?
Okay, I'm here with Lauren. What is 21 times 10?
31.
21 times 10?
Oh, wait.
It's 2,100. Yeah, don't put that in. Don't put it in. Put it in. Put it in. Put that in. Don't put that in.
2,100?
I will kill you if you put that in. Do it.
2,100? Let's go. Hey, this man wants a question.
Can you not? I don't appreciate that.
What's 9 times 9?
Words.
Words?
Words.
That's your answer?
Yeah.
Hey.
That's
We're here live. What is 9 times 9? I'm kidding. The Ukraine is now my favorite country. Or continent. Continent.
Who was the first president of the United States?
Me.
Who was on the $2 bill?
I don't know. I use cash out.
And that's all Foley High School. Have a great day, and go Lions.